Duol mauchung ne weche mag nonro gi lupo e nam lolwe koda nam chumbi KMFRI obago romo mar juma achiel e boma ma Kisumu en neno ni ogol paro makare mar medo yuto mawuok e nam lolwe koda kadhodh nam chumbi kaka achiel kuom lek mar tend Kenya Kwanza. E romo no jakom mar KMFRI John Safari Mumba wacho ni sekta no biro mana berore ka piny owacho medo omenda mag konyo timo nonro eno ni omed riekni mag yuto ne jogo matiyo kod nembego. Piny owacho kokalo apisi mar komishona mag gwenge ma Nyanza osingo ni maino oseketi e bero weche mag lupo e counties ma Kaluo kaka gero dho wedhe ma nyasani kod jiwo arita kwe e nam.
We want to appeal to the government to enable us further to explore the known fisheries resources in the Indian Ocean. And we do hope that in the not too distant future, we should be able to see the country improve on its economy as the blue economy industry trends.
Our counties of Kisumu, Homa Bay, Migori, and Siaya. We have had challenges which include pollution and overfishing, and I believe at the end of this conference, which is basically science-oriented, we'll be able to get solutions to some of the issues that we face.
The three governors and the responsible agencies having a meeting in Vihiga at the source of River Kibos, okay? And I think even last week or 2 weeks ago, again during the World Water Day, we are trying to follow the rivers as they come in, because what happens at the lake basin is not just a function of those who live around the lake. It may also be a function of where the rivers